Great news for Nokia fans. If you're looking for a fantastic mid-budget Nokia smartphone, with a 200-megapixel DSLR level camera, and the power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, then your wish is about to come true at an unbelievable price. Yes, we're talking about the upcoming Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we're diving deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. Let's get started. Nokia Turbo Pro 5G features. Stunning display. This smartphone flaunts a massive 6.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10 Plus support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Plus, it's tougher than ever, with Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance. Camera powerhouse. Get ready for next-level photography. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G packs a triple camera setup, featuring a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel primary sensor, along with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera, to make every shot Instagram-worthy. Performance. Under the hood, this phone is powered by the monster Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring seamless gaming, multitasking, and blazing fast performance. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 15 straight out of the box. Battery backup. No more battery anxiety. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery, and supports 125-watt ultra-fast charging, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $650, which is a steal for these specs. As for the launch, mark your calendars for late 2025, when Nokia is expected to officially unveil this beast.